Okay, my brother-in-law is gonna drink this beer. It's from October 11th of 08, and it's April 11th of 09.
No, it's not. It's April 12th.
Here we go. Pour it, Josh.
It's already 2 o'clock in the morning.
Pour it.
Here we go, baby girls. Ugh. And it stinks like rotten eggs in fucking Miguel's butthole.
That's good. That's good. That's good. You guys are gonna fuck this poor little guy up.
Ernie! Ernie! Where's he at?
Yeah, he's being a girl. Where the fuck you at, girl?
Back to Robert.
Ernie, come here.
Stop holding Robert's dick and come here, fool. He don't
Hurry
even know
up.
the thing's little anyway.
I'm recording this. Hurry up.
Jerry, you lied about being 11th. It's April 12th.
Oh, April 12th.
2 o'clock a.m.
Ernie, if you don't come, I'm gonna turn this video off.
2 o'clock a.m. in the morning.
You can get off Robert's
Yeah,
wiener,
or does,
fool.
AM.
It's little enough, you know.
Okay, we gotta be right here in the light, though.
Yes, we gotta be right here in the light. Look
Ernie,
how nasty that shit looks, dude.
Man, you're wasting my memory card, Ernie.
It looks like boogers floating in it. Jerry, if you get it closer.
Come on.
Hey, buddy, if you get it closer, you can see the boogers. It looks like boogers floating
We gotta
in
keep it going for YouTube.
Look, get in there closer, and it looks like boogers floating in it. See the boogers in there floating? See right there, the boogers? No, because we gotta keep it going for YouTube. It's gotta be a continuous video. Drink it. Hurry, go.
Wait, it's not in light though. Where is it?
Drink it. Look, here it is. Ernie, we ain't got all fucking night. You're wasting the fucking memory card, dude. Go.
You got Toronto already.
No.
Just drink it. Hurry
Drink
up.
the motherfucker.
Where's my
You told me to
monster at?
fucking get the motherfucker, and I fucking got it.
Drink at
And
least
we
half
pour,
of it.
and we poured
Drink
some
it.
regular
Go.
beer.
One.
Half
Well,
of it.
where's my monster?
Drink half of it.
What do you need monster?
Come on, Ernie.
I have monster right here.
Ernie, do not let that cup out of my sight.
Well, you're on candy.
Yeah, where you going? Where you going?
Ernie, right here in the light.
Well, if I throw up right
Go.
here, we'll throw up on you then.
Just drink it.
Hold it in your mouth if you gotta throw it, and throw it by the fence.
Hey, that was nasty as hell. Look at that.
Drink it. Drink it. Go, 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 go. If you're gonna throw up, go over that way.
Big old dummy. Get away from me.
Hey, look at
Hey.
Don't take Robert, boy. He's throwing up. Hey, I ain't throwing up.
This fool's throwing up.
Oh, way out. He's starting chugging bugs.
What it isn't good for, absolutely nothing. Oh, wow.
Are you gonna throw up or not?
No.
That ain't
he's on
good for
candy
YouTube then.